It could be dirt, it could be anything.
I have a question. Who is the PRM and what does the PRM do?
The PRM is responsible for the airplanes. That they are safe, that they are operational. And there's two levels of PRM. Every school has a PRM, a person responsible for maintenance. That person makes sure the maintenance gets done in time. That person is responsible for dealing with any snags, any deficiencies. That person is responsible that all these maintenance events get entered into the technical logs. And that person is on the hook when transport comes and does an audit.
What is the other level of the PRM?
Every maintenance shop, AMO, approved maintenance organization, has to have a PRM. In the old days I called it the Director of Maintenance, but transport coined this term PRM, person responsible for maintenance. So that person is responsible for everything that happens in maintenance. That means starting with the people, with the training of the people, picking the right people, having them properly trained. It starts with the tools, that all the tools are suitable and calibrated. It starts with paperwork, with all the manuals are here and current. And then obviously day-to-day operation has been done in a certain way as described in the maintenance policy manual that every AMO has. You see all these three-letter acronyms. That's what transport likes, but you get used to that. So the PRM is responsible for everything that happens in maintenance.
Thank you.